Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to keep track of your debts on Wallet. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that, click on the three lines at the top of the screen and then click on the debt option. And here you can track what you lent and borrowed, manage all your debts. Here tap the plus button to add the first one. So this feature is really great because here you can track all your debts, and then you will have an exact a fixed place where you can check all your money's information. So click on that plus icon to add. First, you can add I lent and I borrowed. For example, I lent. Do you already have this debt record in Wallet? Select a record to define your debt. If you do not have any record, you can create it later. Okay. And here you have to give the name to whom you have lent, what was it for. You have to select an account, amount in USD, the date and due date, and after that click on the check mark at the top of the screen and you are all set. And after that you can select the I borrowed and again, so I borrowed from someone, create debt or create debt account, only create debt. All right. So here as well, name, from whom you have borrowed, what was it for, select an account, amount in USD, date and due date. So this is how you can track what you lent and borrowed in Wallet app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.